In educational institutions, including schools and colleges, environmental science is largely academic in nature, and experiential learning, critical for internships and employability, is often limited. InvoSystems addresses this gap by offering students, graduates, and educators opportunities for project work, training, internships, and career pathways in sustainability. Mission Green Possible is a student-driven movement that inspires students and graduates to take meaningful climate action, undergo green skills training, and build foundational capabilities for securing internships and jobs in the sustainability sector. Through the Mission Green Possible initiative, participants engage in hands-on projects that foster awareness, responsibility, and leadership in addressing environmental challenges. Green skills training further enhances internship opportunities by providing practical knowledge and relevant foundational skills. Combined with real-world learning experiences, the program equips participants with the skills needed to thrive in the fast-growing sustainability sector. By linking climate action with internships and employability, Mission Green Possible prepares the next generation of professionals to drive change, support national net zero goals, and seize rewarding career opportunities in green industries. Students can participate and take real action to help save planet Earth for themselves and future generations. Are you ready to undertake a simple 3-month project, Mission Green Possible, and participate in the Environmental Sustainability Quiz? The Green Skills Training Program is designed to equip students who qualify by achieving at least a 5% reduction in household electricity consumption, with essential green skills to help them secure internships and jobs. The program is applicable exclusively to third-year and final-year students from polytechnics, degree programs, and engineering colleges/universities. Teachers and faculty members who achieve the same 5% household electricity reduction will also qualify under the Sustainability Education Mentor Development Training Program. This is a 3-month online program covering key areas such as climate change, sustainability, net zero, carbon reduction, renewable energy, water conservation, waste management, and global standards. Planet Sustain Green Skills Academy. The world's first Green Skills Academy focused not on profit, but on purpose, empowering students, graduates, and educators to lead the transition to a sustainable, net zero future while enhancing green employability and real-world impact. Planet Sustain Sustainability Quiz. 100% free for students. The Planet Sustain Sustainability Quiz is designed to spark curiosity and raise awareness among students about climate change, responsible consumption, and environmental action. The quiz will be conducted through the Planet Sustain mobile app and may include cash prizes, subject to a minimum participation of 250 students and the completion of 3 months of past household electricity data entry into the app before the quiz begins. For quiz-specific information, terms and conditions, and prize details, please refer to the quiz poster or contact your educational institution. Together, we are shaping a sustainable future. By raising climate awareness, tracking and reducing carbon footprints, and integrating the Planet Sustain app into education, we prepare students and educators with green skills for a greener tomorrow. Every step counts toward a cleaner, more sustainable Earth. InvoSystems Singapore, a 20-year-old information technology company, accelerates awareness building and drives widespread adoption through mobile apps. By empowering and educating students, youth, employees, individuals, SMEs, businesses, and governments, we foster collaboration, raise climate awareness, and inspire collective action toward achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. Together, we collaborate to achieve net zero and protect our planet for current and future generations. Planet Sustain has received the 2023 Environmental Achievement Award from the Singapore Environment Council as a merit winner of SEA 2023, presented by Minister Grace Fu of the Ministry of Sustainability and the Environment, Singapore.